Hey y'all, so this is not a typical video I anticipated doing, but when I opened this box it looked pretty intimidating. So I think I'm going to do a how-to put this little play yard together. So I figured if any of you mamas out there ordered one of these, I got it off Amazon, actually was gifted to me. So anyway, just thought I would do a how-to on how to put this thing together for you guys. So without further ado, here we go. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll see how this goes because it looks kind of complicated, but I'm sure it's probably not too bad. It's probably like putting together a tent. Okay, so directions say that there are pipes that have foam on them. So you want to leave the foam on them. I was thinking it was just to protect them, but actually you're supposed to keep it on there. So, all right, here we go. All right, y'all, it is complete. All in all, it probably took me, I don't know, 30 minutes or so to put it together. But this is my advice. Don't forget to put your poles through the sleeves because I had to take some of them out and redo them because I forgot to slide them through the little gray sleeves. So yeah, it was not that difficult. The top, just to make it a little easier on you when you do start putting it together. So on the directions, it says that the A long pipe without the foam. So those go on the very bottom without the foam. So all around the bottom edges are the metal pipes without the foam. And then it says pipe B is the long pipe with the foam, and that goes around the top. So the long pipe with the foam goes around the top, and then pipe C is the short pipe with the foam. That goes on.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. That one goes on the corners. So short ones of the foam, corners, long ones of the foam, top, and and long ones without the foam around the bottom. So that should save you a little bit of time. Like I said, this is not typically the kind of video I would do, but just thought it was a good opportunity to do one real quick. We plan to use this outside a lot. We spend a lot of time outside. So I'm super excited to get it outside, and yeah, there you go. Already enjoying it. So here's the little zipper door. I really like this. This is awesome. I'll zip them up in here. Yeah, so I think they're really gonna like it outside. This is awesome. All right, that concludes my short how-to video on the what's it called, Gentle Monster Play Yard. We have actually taken it outside a few times. We really like it. Anyway, if you are returning, thanks for returning to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded, but if you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for those who have, and I'm excited to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.